Hello everybody, my name is RAMSEY Spencer. I'm a fashion and a lifestyle photographer, and today we're doing the unboxing for the Phase 1 XF V grip. Again, I'm the only one who's doing these things. Nobody ever done the Phase 1 XF body unboxing, nobody done the IQ digital back from Phase 1, and today I'm doing the grip, which is nobody doing it. It's amazing how this world of YouTube is, and all these unboxing and all this blah blah blah. And when it comes to this great camera, nobody's doing unboxing or like some information about it. They're just doing backstage scenes. People shoot with cameras. It's like people are not really interested to see how people are shooting. People are interested in a product that they're shooting with to discuss if they want to take it or not, especially when it comes to such a company like this. Anyways, this is the XF grip for Phase 1. No information, zero about it, online everywhere, and it's sad in a way. Anyways, let's do the unboxing and tell you what is it all about. So if you have an XF system and you'd like to buy the grip, because I'm a grip person as well, I need to have the grip. So let's see what we have. So we have here the warranty card, we have the manual thing, and this is the system itself. Oops. So you can see. So let's see what you're gonna get for $1,500 grip. You can buy a camera. Well, get camera. You got the leather strap on the side, which is amazing. This is what I want also. So you don't need to buy additional things. You got a screwdriver. This is interesting. Oh my God. You remember when people don't read manuals and stuff like that? When I see a screwdriver, I need to read the manual. Oh my God. And we have a plate thing. Okay. And we have L-shaped thing. Right. Okay. I need to read the manual. Today we're not throwing the manual away. We actually gonna read it. Because I know this grip it's like a assemble, like from one click. So I need to check this thing out. Wow, this is heavy, man. Wow. Okay, we don't need a box. This is heavy. It's not a grip, it's something. Wow. Oh, what? Wowee. So this is the grip, my friend. Let me have, you can see it. Okay. And you have like here. And you have it here. And this grip is big, my friend. I will show you how it looks like compared to a flash. This is the best solution. You have the kind of electronic CPU board thing. It connects with the camera. It's obvious. And this is kind of, you have mechanical like movements. Oh, so this is how you actually do it. You have a click here, you just click it and you just do like in, on and off kind of a thing. Because that's what I saw it's doing. By mistake on YouTube, someone did it for 2 seconds and nothing about. Okay, and I want to just mention something. I notice it's oiled. There is like some kind of oil between the moving parts. So these are moving actually parts, like, you know, you can see. So when these are moving, you need to oil them up so they can just have a smooth ride all the time. This is interesting thing. It's good it's coming with a warranty, because usually the grip, you just screw it with the screw thing, and that's it. And you want to unscrew it, you screw it. This one, you don't screw it and unscrew it. You just take the whole thing off and on without nothing. And that's why the plates and all these small parts, you attach to some of it here, you attach some of it on the camera. Now the interesting part is it gonna last forever? Is it, you know, is it like the screw thing? And I don't know. Okay, now, okay, I noticed also something. When I click, I don't feel the half click. Like, you know, when you have 2 clicks, like click and click, like the autofocus thing, I don't see that. So maybe I need to really focus here, hold the focus and click. Okay, this is like two-way system. We have the aperture thing, we have the aperture and the shutter speed. And you have no battery, of course, here, because it's attached one to the back and one to the body. So I know logically before I get the grip, I know you cannot put a battery here. You cannot put one battery to actually juice up the two of them. It's obvious, but you actually just pay for a holding grip camera, which I need, because once I tried to hold the camera in V because all my shooting is vertical. And one time, I remember this and almost I died, that the camera almost like slipped between my hands. This is how crazy, because I don't know where to hold the back. You know, when you do the vertical, you hold the back, you hold the grip, and you need to hold two things. The lens, when you hold the lens, the autofocus keeps going on and off, so you know, you start, this is what you need if you do a lot of vertical. Like 99% of my shooting is vertical. 1% out of the blue is just like landscape, like horizontal for some reason. Let me compare this to you with the flash. This is a flash, any type of flash, and you can see it's almost more or less the same thing. It's not a joke. So you can see, I don't know, oh yes. It's heavy, man. It's all metal, wow. Okay, I either get back to you with this, attached to the phase one with my body, and I will tell you how it goes on and off, or I will come back to you with another video with about a lot of things, like information, because you know, I'm gonna talk about the system a lot because a lot of people ask me about the system and how is it working, and there's a lot of questions about the back I unbox, in general information, not specific mine, because all of them more or less the same, just like it's a very megapixel kind of a solution, and that's it. So if I cut this video, that means I'm making another video to review the whole thing, overall, the whole family of the phase one, because there's nothing else left there for me to unbox. I mean, I'm not gonna unbox a lens because you and I, we know what the lens is. We're not gonna get all these, you know, but when you unbox like mechanical thing, like a body, you wanna see what's the components, you wanna unbox the digital back, see how it comes, you wanna see all these things attached to it. But the lens is a lens, you just attach it, that's it. It's like sunglasses, glasses, you know what I mean? So we both know all these tricks. Let me try to put this all together and I will get back to you with this, okay? Okay. This is gonna be fun. Okay, so I will put this on my, I just attach quickly the 80 so it will look smaller. Okay, we really need to read the manual. Okay, let me read the manual and put the whole things together, and then from there I will make another video. It's better this way because this thing is gonna be like this from now on. Ouch. So, wow. So this thing is gonna be like this. Like this, like this. You take it off, you take it on from this kind of part. So I will do this video for you guys, and until then, if you have any questions or anything, let me know, check my work, and I will make great work for these things, and I'll also make great videos, okay? I'll talk to you later. Ciao, ciao.